Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode on X, Twitter, especially if the dark mode option is missing after the latest update. If you can't find the setting inside the app anymore, don't worry. Just follow along step by step and I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the X Twitter app on your phone. Try going to the settings where dark mode used to be. You'll notice that the dark mode option is no longer showing. This happened after a recent update, and many users, especially iPhone users, are experiencing the same thing. The reason is that X has now linked the dark mode setting to your phone's system settings. So instead of turning it on inside the app, you now need to enable dark mode directly from your phone. So here's what you need to do. Go to your phone's settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Inside this section, you'll see the option to switch between light mode and dark mode. Simply tap Dark to enable dark mode on your device. Now go back and open the X Twitter app again. You'll notice that dark mode is automatically enabled in the app. And that's it. Since X now follows your phone's display settings, changing the system theme will automatically update the app as well.